All right. Starting off my last big project of the year. What an entrance. Beautiful boat. Just doing a little bit of a walk around. Gonna be here for 2-3 days, knocking out probably the most amount of light paintings I'll do in a long time. Beautiful Corvette, Dodge TRX. Oh yeah, C6 race car, Lingenfelter, Z06 too. Yeah. If you know the owner, you know the owner. I'm not going to name him. Keep things private. But my main focus for this weekend, yeah, these next couple days is doing creative photography of these three bad boys. So I've got the, I think it's a 21 911 Turbo S. Then I got the McLaren 720S. And then I got the Porsche Cayman GT4 RS. Not doing the Corvette, I may do the Dodge, just per the owner's request of what I'd like to what he wanted me to capture. So, and not doing the Grom, sadly. But we're gonna be, as you can see, a little bit of color coordination over here. So I'm gonna be doing metal prints and various things to match the profiles of the cars, print them off on metal, showcase their details, do a main light painting of each one. And then we'll go from there. So, yep, just kind of pre-planning where I want to position the cars inside and out. You know, depending on the weather, it's supposed to get down to 25 degrees. So, got to keep that in account, especially even battery life being that cold. So, off to planning, and I'll get back to you guys here in a second once everything's aligned up.